Okay, so hey guys, back again doing June 2015 for HR. So let's get into it. The diagram shows 2 points S and T. The bearing of T from S is 43 degrees. Work out the bearing of S from T. Okay, so easy. The thing with bearings is it's always measured from north, right? So, and it's always measured in a clockwise direction. So we need this angle. How we can get this angle is this 43, okay, is actually sorry. This angle is 180 minus 43, right? So, which is 137. This angle is 360 minus 137. So 360 minus 137 is 223. Okay. Flaky pastry is made using flour and fat in the ratio of 9:7 by weight. Cassie makes some flaky pastry. She uses 175 grams of fat. Work out the weight of flour Casey uses. Right, so this can be solved since we have the ratio over here, 9:7, and we have the amount of fat she uses, and fat is in the ratio of 7. What we do is 175 over 7 gives us 25. Wait, let me just check that. Yep, 25. And so now we have the 25, which is 1 part, and we need 9 parts. So what we do is we just multiply by 9. So 25 times 9 is 225. 225. So sweet pastry is made using flour, fat, and sugar in the ratio of 27:14:9 by weight. Luke makes some sweet pastry, and the total weight of the flour, fat, and sugar uses 400 grams. Work out the weight of flour Luke uses. So now 400 is all 3 of these parts, which add up to give you all these parts add up to give you 50. Okay. And since he used 400 grams, we do 400 divided by 50, gives us 8. And then since we want flour, and flour is in the ratio of 27, we do 8 multiplied by 27, which gives us 216. Alicia makes some frisky pastry and some sweet pastry. She uses the same weight of flour for the flaky pastry as she does for the sweet pastry. Work out the ratio of the weight of fat she uses in the flaky pastry to the weight of fat she uses in the sweet pastry. Okay, we can solve this pretty easily. So if you remember, the ratio of flour to fat in the flaky pastry was 9:7. And the ratio of flour to fat in the sweet pastry is 27:14. So let's substitute in a number for flour. 27. Let's substitute in 27 as flour because 27 is both divisible by 27 and 9. So if flour equals 27 grams for the flaky pastry, that means fat equals 21 grams. If flour equals 27 grams for the sweet pastry, then fat would equal 14 grams. So the fat ratios add up to 21 to 14. And that can be simplified to 3:2. Okay, expand 5 2p minus 3. Simple, that's if we 5 multiplied by 2p is 10p. 5 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 15. Okay, next question. Solve the inequality 9 minus 2x is less than 3. So 9 minus 2x is less than 3. If we subtract 9 from both sides, minus 2x is less than minus 6. Yeah. Then if we divide by minus 1, 2x is greater than minus 6, because when you divide by minus 1, you flip the sign. That means x is greater than minus 6 over, sorry, 2 is greater than regular 6. That means x is greater than 6 over 2, therefore x is greater than 3. Okay, next question. Y equals x cubed minus kx plus 5. Work out the value of k when y equals 6 and x equals minus 2. Okay, so 6 equals minus 2 cubed minus k minus 2 plus 5. Okay, 6 equals minus 8 plus 2k plus 5. Okay, so then 9, if we add 8 from both sides and subtract 5 from both sides, we get 9 is equal to 2k, therefore k is equal to 4.5. 4.5. Solve 1 over f plus 2 equals 3. 1 over f plus 2 equals 3. Therefore, if we multiply by f plus 2 from both sides, 1 equals 3f plus 6. So then 3f is equal to minus 5 if we subtract 6 from both sides. Therefore, f is equal to minus 5 over 3. Minus 5 over 3. Okay, so here we have a triangle, and we have to find out x to 3 significant figures, right? Okay, so easy. So we have the adjacent, we know that because it's next to the angle given, and we have we need the hypotenuse. We know this is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. Okay, so we know we must use cos, and the formula for using cos is cos theta, or angle, is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So then we can substitute in numbers. So cos 56 is equal to 7.4 over x. X multiplied by cos 56 is equal to 7.4. X is equal to 7.4 over cos 56. Now we can just substitute in this into the calculator. So x equals 7.4 divided by cos 56 is equal to 13.2 centimeters. Okay, so for this question, a solid cylinder has radius 3.5 centimeters and height 8.2 centimeters. Work out the total surface area of this cylinder. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. Easy. So we need to find out the total surface area. So the total surface area would be these 2 circles multiplied by the surface area of this, which is so the equation would be 2 pi r squared for both the circles plus 2 pi r h. Now the reason I got 2 pi r h is because the area of the curved surface is just the circumference of this circle multiplied by the height, if you think about it. So this would be our formula to use. Now we can just substitute in the numbers. So 2 pi 3.5 squared plus 2 pi 3.5 8.2 equals area. So area equals, if you just put this into our calculator, 2 pi 3.5 squared plus 2 pi 3.5 8.2 give us 257 to three significant figures. Okay, question 12. The straight line L is shown on the grid right here. Find an equation for L. So the equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Okay, m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so therefore, to find the gradient, we'll do the gradient first. To find the gradient, it is difference in y over difference in x. Okay, so the difference in y is -3, as you can see, -3, and the difference in x is +5. So +5 gives us -0.6. So currently we have y equals -0.6 plus x plus c. C is just the y-intercept, and we can see it intercepts at point 3. So our equation of the line is y equals -0.6x plus 3. That'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.